This recipe checks all of my boxes. It's super tasty. Check. It's easy. Check. And it's comfort food at its best. Check. I love this recipe. Now, I actually have the inside scoop on this recipe because it was created by one of my wonderful friends, April Lee Winsek of Chicago, also known as the Tipsy Housewife because she loves a good iced wine. Now, because I have the inside scoop on this recipe, I know that these sliders were heavily influenced by a national fast food chain that sells a beloved burger. No, not that one. The one with the golden... are we gonna get sued for that? These sliders are topped with all the familiar tasty toppings: American cheese, shredded iceberg lettuce and minced onion, crunchy dill pickles, and of course, the secret sauce. Spoiler alert. The secret sauce is actually just Thousand Island dressing. Even though these are little sliders, they are very satisfying. After just two, I am full. And these are a great thing to serve at your next gathering.